This video is sponsored by CDKOffers.com, where you could buy affordably cheap license keys, such as the Microsoft Office 2016 that recently dropped its price down to $34. Not only could you buy Microsoft Office keys, but also you can get way cheaper legit Windows license keys. Simply look for whichever license is suitable for your Windows installation. After choosing which Windows license you'll be needing, simply click on the Buy Now button and simply sign in using your Facebook or your Gmail account using their integrated login buttons. Then enter Dude20 to save up 20% on your purchase. You'll be taken to the payment gateways afterwards, and once done paying, you'll immediately receive the key and be able to activate it on your Windows. If you want to watch my full review with regards to CDK offers, I'll be placing a link somewhere here or there. And today I'll be showing you my full review and unboxing of the latest Xiaomi Mi Band 6 that was just recently launched between March and first weeks of April. It took a little time before this fitness band to arrive, so let's not waste any more time and get started. After receiving the item, which was sent by Banggood.com, right out of the box you are shown with the Xiaomi Band 6 packaging. What you'll get is the small band charger that connects using a USB port. Next, you'll get the Xiaomi Band 6, which looks quite similar to its predecessor Xiaomi Band 5, which was released last year. And of course, some manual that we don't usually even read. Well, I don't personally. So aside from the fitness tracker and the charger, there's nothing much. So let's now talk about the specs of the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. One of the most crucial hardware components for this fitness tracker is the screen. Hence, the screen is protected with the anti-fingerprint tempered glass. It's also the first ever Xiaomi Mi Band that has a 1.56-inch full-screen AMOLED as of the making of this video, when compared to the Mi Band 5 that has only 1.1-inch AMOLED screen. So you get to use the entire display that has a 486 by 152 pixel resolution. As for the brightness, both the Mi Band 5 and the Mi Band 6 has the peak brightness of 450 nits. The battery of the Mi Band 6 is estimated to last between 20 to 14 days. Mi Band 6 is also 5 ATM or 50 meters water resistant, so you can basically go swimming with it. I tried dipping the Mi Band 6 in a 5 cm water container for 30 minutes just to test it out, and guess what? It's just a piece of cake for the Mi Band 6. The Mi Band 6 also comes in black, orange, yellow, ivory, olive, and blue. However, all these colors might not be entirely available depending on your location. As of the making of this video, the only color available in Banggood is black, so some colors might add up in the upcoming weeks or months. Some of the features on the Xiaomi Band 6 are the SpO2 sensor, or basically a blood oxygen tracker. Rather than relying on these steps alone, the Band 6 also has the Personal Activity Intelligence, or PI feature built. The Personal Activity Intelligence tracking uses the heart rate data to better know your present health condition. It also boasts more workout programs included on the fitness tracker app from previously 11 workouts on the Mi Band 5. Now on the Mi Band 6, it can track up to 30 types of workouts. Another important feature of this fitness tracker is that it also allows you to track women's health, primarily the menstrual cycle, and also display notifications on the band. You also have the ability to receive notifications through the screen while it's connected to your smartphone. However, there is no way to send a reply through text or take calls directly from the fitness tracker band. Also expect that you won't be able to use the Google Assistant or Alexa from the fitness tracker, as again, it doesn't have that particular functionality available. Overall, given the price of this product, which costs right around $40 to $50, which may change over time, there could be more innovative features added, especially onto the design. When compared to its predecessor Mi Band 5, there's not much of a distinguishable difference with the looks and appearance of both products, except that the Mi Band 6 offers a slightly wider screen. This fitness tracker is perfect for those who would like to monitor their activities and overall health status, and at the same time who don't want to cash out out hefty amounts of cash, as Mi Band 6 is inexpensive. But since it's fairly cheap, expect that some useful features such as sending replies directly from the band, receiving calls, or taking them directly from the band is unavailable. Also, the functionality of seeing the camera preview when taking pictures would have been a nice touch of the feature that would have been also useful. On the bright side, this fitness tracker band Mi Band 6 is still one of the best trackers to get out there, which you can grab without spending much cash onto it, yet still be getting a bunch of health and fitness tracker functionalities that will help you monitor your daily activities. It also has a decent battery life, well, depends on the features you've enabled. However, generally the long battery life makes it convenient in a way that you'll only be needing to charge once in a while. Hopefully you don't lose the little charger that comes along with it though. If you want to grab one, I'll be placing the link in the description and you can purchase this on Banggood and even use the coupon code. As always, hopefully you gained something on this video. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks or even questions down below. And if you did, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you want more content like this from my channel. It's your TECHY here. See you in my next videos.